Guys, it's me, FC Bear Boy. Sorry for not uploading video for quite a long time. I took a break, so let's unbox this DC Universe Classics hawkgirl vs Gentleman Ghost. I bought this figure for $15. Let's check the box. The front box, you get a clear view of the two figures, hawkgirl and Gentleman Ghost. This figure is quite old. As you can see, some of the rubbers, I don't know if you can see it, some of the rubbers broke and some of the items dropped because the rubber melted over time. Yeah, you can see Aquaman and Flash made by Mattel. hawkgirl vs Gentleman Ghost. You can pause this video to read the biography and statics. Then we have Green Lantern and Batman and Mattel. At the top of the box, you can see a few superheroes like Green Lantern, Wonder Woman, and Martian Man. At the bottom, you can see where it was made by. Yeah. I'm gonna unbox it. Actually, I bought one of these before, but I sold it. Then this time I went to the same shop and saw it again. Then I decided to buy it, but this time it was a lot cheaper, like $15. Last time I think I bought it for 20 or 30 bucks, but I sold it for like $40, I forget. Yeah, so I got profit. It's quite cheap for a DC Classics figure, especially when it's two of them. It. The box is kind of damaged. There's actually two more at the shop, but the other two boxes are dusty as hell and broken. See, this is the stuff it dropped. You can see the rubber. Yeah, focus. This is the rubber. The sword, I don't know whose sword is this. It's Gentleman's gun. There's some rubber parts that melted over time. I don't know how old is this figure, but I'm pretty sure it's quite old. At the back of the box, you can see a nice golden view. You can see quite a lot of stuff has been melted on this box. I'm trying to make it stand as a display. Let me put the thing. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, let's take out the stuff. You can see DC Universe here. Yeah, some of the rubber band melted here. It's quite yellowy. Let's take out hawkgirl. It's hard to take her out. I'm gonna pause the video and taking her out. I finally took her out of the box after a few minutes, but in the process I ripped her wings out. I think it can be placeable back, or I don't know if I accidentally broke it. Yeah, it can be placed back. So you have hawkgirl. Here, let's take out this hawkgirl's weapon. Let's take out Gentleman Ghost. There's actually a stuff here. I think this stuff is hawkgirl stuff. Let's take Gentleman Ghost out of the box. So we've gentleman goes. let's I'll show you the floor, my floor. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. How much of the rubbers has been melted? See, the glue turns yellow. The rubber plastic, the rubber bands that are supposed to hold the figures has melted in the process of time. So let's see gentleman goes. Take the boxes out the way. This is gentleman goes. He comes with his small little glasses, I think. Yeah, I like how they make. Since he does not have a face, they decided to put the dress together as one. But this figure is kind of sticky because I think it melted all down. Like you did not touch it, you can't feel it, but what I feel is like it's rubbery, it's like sticky as hell. Cause it's made of rubber, and I'm pretty sure the sun, yeah, you can hear the articulation just now. Yeah. It's sort of melted. You can see the rubber band all stuck on his hand over time. That's why I don't like rubber band on old figures. Make it sticky. Yeah. So the articulation does not have any articulation on the head. You can move the cape a little bit, and you can see the pants here. The articulations are a little bit of the cape and these two things. There isn't any head articulation since there isn't a head. You can move the shoulder a bit, but you cannot move a lot because of the cape. The hands has and hand articulations. You can shimmer it 360 too. You can move you can move the head 360, but there's not any like wrist articulations other than 360. There's a stomach joint. Oh, the stomach is damn loose. I thought it would be like some clicks. The leg, you can do a split for gentleman goes. 360 here. Can kick this high. Knee articulations. Can kick it high. This is the ankle articulations. You can twist it or bend it. Yeah, this gentleman goes. It's quite sticky. I'm happy that the glasses did not turn that yellow at all. But his shirt, I don't know if his shirt is supposed to be, I think it's supposed to be white, but over time it became yellow because of the material is rubber. It comes with a walking stick and a white gun. Let's put it on him. Haha, I am gentleman. It's freaking sticky. I'll try to wipe it later. The details on the gun. You can see there's like a ball here and a thing. I like how they make the legs translucent, but now it's freaking sticky. The robe is translucent at the ends, but the top is white. See me here? I don't know if it's supposed to be translucent or the color faded over time and became translucent. Top hat looks cool. Let's put Mr. Gentleman here. Let's see hawkgirl. This is hawkgirl. Unlike Mr. Gentleman, she isn't that sticky. You can see that she's quite tan. She's quite tall. Let's see her articulations. The wing can go quite high and down. there's sort of wing articulations here. You can turn it. Same thing for here. Move her shoulders 360 if you move the wing to the back. I like how they allow the wing to be kept inside like this. There's some elbow articulations and wrist articulations. The head articulation is 360, but it's kind of hard seeing that her hair is getting blocked by the wings and her hands. Yes. She comes with her original yellow and green shirts. She has some knee articulations and ankle articulations. Yeah, front view, side view, back view. She comes with a hammer. I don't know what is this called. A spear, which is in plastic. I'm gonna take it out right now. This is her spear. It's brown with the sides being gray, brown, and gray. I don't know if you can see the shading, holes, and I like how they put dents on the knife to make it look like it's been used on battles, a lot of battles. And you can see some spins. You know, like a cord for a beer cord. We have a knife. The knife is the same dents, which make it look cool. There's a gray thing here. It's kind of hard. There's brown color here and brown here. No, it's not actually brown. Yeah, it's not brown. It's just the rubber band got still on here. Make it look brown. Or made in China. I thought it was some ancient writings and turned out it's China. Yeah. I forgot to do the views for the gentleman angle. Let's take gentleman angles out. Front view, side view, and back view. I'm happy with these two figures, but not that happy with like gentleman angles because of how sticky he is. Yeah, I'll still buy it, saying that hawkgirl is not as sticky. Like rather sticky. Knife and hammer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and bye.